What's up, online shoppers? I just want to show you this really awesome through-the-counter soap dispenser I installed in my washer. It is so sleek and classy. You can see right here, it's this beautiful chrome finish. It fits right in on the counter here. So all you do is drill a hole, and then this fits in from the underside and the top. So you put your soap down below, and I'll give you a shot of what that looks like in a minute. And then you have this really sleek, nice, shiny soap dispenser on the top. Now, I love the awesome curve of this hardware, and it's a really nice, easy to open. It isn't just your standard hand soap dispenser. It actually dispenses a really nice, rich stream of foam for washing your hands. Nice and easy operation. You can see it from the top here. You've got this nice little button that you can push your hand on. A nice, sleek, shiny, classic shape. And this here is a really nice little acrylic piece that sits on the counter. I actually love the black against the color of my countertop. I think it looks really awesome. Now let's show you what it looks like underneath. Here's where I've installed my hand soap dispenser like this, and that's what it looks like underneath. This under-counter hand soap dispenser is great. It keeps your counter looking really nice and sleek, very minimalist, keeps the mess to a minimum, and it also makes cleanup really easy. I love that I can just use a cloth to wipe around here, and I don't have to worry about all kinds of canisters ever getting empty and clogging up the look of an otherwise really next level sink. This under-counter soap dispenser is fantastic. It definitely upgraded my bathroom reno, and I consider it a family favorite at my house. What's up, everyone? Thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel. I really appreciate you taking the time to check out my product reviews. It means a lot. Now, if you want to get your hands on that really great product I just showed you, I've linked it for you in the description below. Make sure you don't miss any more fresh product reviews by clicking subscribe and turning on your notifications. That way you'll get notified every time I post fresh content. And if you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, because that way YouTube knows you want to see more of my content. By the way, don't forget to cannonball and do what you love.